Hi guys, it's Angela Barthel here. I'm here today to show you how to use highlighter. So the key point on highlighter is to make sure that you're hitting the higher points of your face to add a little bit of dimension. Sometimes when we get foundation on, we can look a little flat and we don't have any of that dimension, so you're gonna create it. Today you can do liquid or you can do powder highlighter. I'm gonna do liquid today. A touch of our Sheen Liquid Lumière, and because I need a little depth, add a touch of our Radiance Gel Bronzer. Mix those two together. I'm just use my fingers. So first place I'd like to add it is the higher points of my cheek. So I tap, 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 and then I'll go back in and blend. The tip of the nose, just for a little bit of highlight there. Cupid's bow. Right above the lips. Peak of the brow. And then right under the brow, just to highlight that brow. Now I'm gonna go back in and press. And then I'm gonna touch the tip of my nose and blend in top and bottom of the brow. There you go. You see it flat on this side and highlighted with more dimension on this side. For this tip, or other tricks, be sure to visit us at chantecaille.com or go to our Chantecaille YouTube video. Have a great day.